Good day, everyone. Today, I will discuss Alan Turing and his intellectual contribution to society. Alan Turing is often called father of modern computing because his ideas became the foundation of the computers and technologies we use every day. His work not only changed science and technology, but also transformed the way people think about intelligence and machines. Alan Matheson Turing was born on June 23, 1912, in London, England. From a young age, he showed exceptional talent in mathematics and science. He later studied at Cambridge University, where he developed a strong interest in logic computation. During World War II, Turing worked from the British government as a code breaker. His efforts helped decode secret German messages sent through the Enigma machine. Historians believe that his work shortened the war and saved millions of lives. Although Turing faced many personal challenges during his lifetime, his contribution to science and technology remain highly respected today. The Turing machine. One of Alan Turing's most important contribution was the concept of Turing machine. The Turing machine was not an actual machine. Instead, it was a theoretical model that showed how a machine could solve problems by following a series of instructions. This idea introduced the concept of algorithms, which are step-by-step procedures used to perform tasks today. Every computer program, mobile application, and software system operates using algorithms. Because of this, the Turing machine became the foundation of modern computer science. This revolutionary idea changed the way people understood computation and problem solving. The Turing test. Another important contribution of Alan Turing was the Turing test. In 1950, Turing proposed a test to determine whether a machine could demonstrate intelligence similar to a human being. In the test, a person communicates with both a machine and another human without knowing which is which. If the person cannot reliably tell the difference, the machine may be considered intelligent. This idea sparked discussions about artificial intelligence, or AI. It challenged people to think about what intelligence really means and whether machines could ever think like humans. Today, the Turing test remains one of the most influential ideas in AI research. Impact on society. Technology and society. Alan Turing's contribution had a massive impact on the world. In science, his theories advanced mathematics, logic, and computer science and technology. His ideas led to the development of modern computers and digital systems. Because of his work, we now have smartphones, laptops, the internet, and advanced software applications. Businesses, schools, hospitals, and government all rely on computer systems based on principles that Turing helped establish. His contributions have improved communication, education, healthcare, transportation, and many other aspects of daily life. Relevance in modern times. Alan Turing's ideas are even more important today than ever before. Modern technologies such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, robotics, and data science and all build upon the concept he introduced decades ago. For example, virtual assistants like Siri and Google Assistant use AI technologies inspired by Turing's ideas about machine intelligence. Self-driving cars, recommendation system on social media, and advanced medical technologies also rely on computer systems that trace their origin to his work. This shows how Turing's intellectual contributions continue to shape the modern world. Personal reflection after learning about Alan Turing. I realized how powerful ideas can be. Turing's curiosity and willingness to challenge traditional beliefs allowed him to create concepts that changed human in history. His work reminds us that innovation often begins with asking questions and thinking differently. I admire Alan Turing because he used his knowledge to solve difficult problems and create solutions that continue to benefit society. His life inspires me to value education, critical thinking, and perseverance. To conclude, Alan Turing was one of the most influential thinkers of the 28th century. His development of Turing machine and Turing test revolutionized computer science and artificial intelligence. His ideas changed the way people understand technology, intelligence, and problem solving. Today, his contribution continue to influence the device and system used every day. Alan Turing's legacy proves that one person's ideas can transform the world and shape the future for generations to come. Thank you for listening and have a great day, everyone.